Alright, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on Timefarm. So in this video I'm going to be discussing everything as regards to Timefarm Airdrop, and the TGE Timefarm TGE, and how to actually boost your seconds allocation before the TGE. So kindly subscribe to the channel. Before we get there, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and of course you can also join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So firstly, I'm going to log into my Timefarm, of course, and I'm going to show you a couple of things before I will do the analysis on Timefarm, and I will tell you the day that Timefarm will be listing. So firstly, as you can see here, I have about 152 million seconds. Of course, that's the token of Timefarm. So as you can see here also, my current earning rate is times 25. This is not the highest. You can still upgrade if you want to. I think you have the time to still do that, but of course I'm not going to be doing that because this is just an account on the side that I'm just using for experiments. This is not my main account. So you can actually go to this place right here and complete all the tasks, which of course will help you boost your allocation. You can also get updates, of course, with my WhatsApp community link, of course, which will be in the description and in the big comment. But let's just continue though. So you can go to wallet and connect your wallet. Ensure that you connect your wallet because TG is around the corner. So connect your Ton wallet. So very soon this will be available. This indicates that this project will be listed very soon. As you can see, the withdraw option is here, so it will soon be activated. You guys should just stand by. So if you guys remember, Oracle of Time used to be taking place before, and there is still the staking option, which gives you opportunity to stake. And if you remember very well also, this used to be about 15, or yes, about 15%. This used to be about 8%, and this used to be about 5% or so. But now they have reduced it because listing is around the corner, like I said. So guys, there is a lot of great things about this project incoming, and you can still transfer your seconds, tell it, or you can basically just go to this place to boost your allocation. See store. So you can go to see store, buy farmer's assistant. This is basically 1 ton, and currently 1 ton is about it's about $3.7, which is very cheap right now. Ton has really crashed, which of course is good. So if you want to rack up your ton, you can still do it now. So to buy the farming assistant, is going to basically farm everything for you automatically, and also you can still get the 30 days boost, which will cost you basically 3 ton. Or you can still use other options. You can still buy 39,000 Amstar, or you can use $16. This is quite cheap. This will basically be around $10. So I'll prefer you use that to boost your allocation. Use ton to boost it, 3 ton, which will be about $10. So that's just it, and you still have time. So basically you still have a lot of time. So I'm going to be showing you guys when this project will be listing. So let's just go there. So basically this competition was ongoing for a while. I did not really follow it up because why would I? There are a lot of persons are burning their seconds just to get rewarded by Timefarm. This is another way of just reducing the total supply, meaning that this project would actually do well. It will cook. So if this is your first time of hearing this, Timefarm would cook. You heard it first from me, to do well, very well. So yeah, on the 28th or so of January, okay, 23rd of January, they had a MAA that's ask me any question, ask me anything, sorry, ask me any questions or cough. So basically this session, basically they asked a lot of questions basically. So ask me anything basically. So they asked a couple of questions. Users asked a lot of questions. So In the process, they asked about TG because a lot of persons were asking when TG. So they finally give us an answer. TG is taking place in March of 2025. So we basically have a month to prepare. So basically, what they are doing now is reducing the total supply. They have reduced the referral bonus to 10% instead of 20% for direct referrals to limit the total supply. Token users violation, of course, they are burning a lot of token. Then they are even including more burning techniques, which of course was what they did here. But actually, as you can see right here, they have burned about 105 billion seconds for a competition. So it's really crazy. This project is going to do well. So I don't know why you haven't opted on it yet. So once you can still participate in this by burning your own token. You can actually win up to 500 USDT, but I won't advise you do it. Just wait till the list. So, but if you are in urgent need of money, you can do it if you want to. So basically, that's just what this is about. That's what this is about. This project is going to be doing well. Listing is around the corner, and I can't really predict the price since they have not released the tokenomics. So once they do that, I'm going to update this video by doing the price prediction. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel. You can also join our WhatsApp community, link in the description of the video. Thanks.